Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with My Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flax English muffin. At least that's what I call it. And we're going to make an avocado toast out of it. Come on, let's get it done. You're going to crack 1 egg in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal mixed with 1 tablespoon of almond flour and a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Now let's give that a good mix. Now I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, but put as much in as you like. Now I'm going to spray the bottom of this anchor dish really good and pour my batter into it. And spread it out a little. Now microwave this for 60 to 90 seconds. After 90 seconds, you'll notice that it has doubled in size. And look, it looks just like bread. Amazing. I'm going to turn it out onto this plate, and you'll notice that it is a little eggy still, but don't worry, we're going to toast it. Slice it in half. You can't even tell that it's not bread. It looks just like bread, but it is too soft for me, so I have to firm it up a little by toasting it, and it's perfect. So put it in the toaster oven. I put mine on 3. I like it toasted just like this. Now to dress it up, I put just a small amount of butter on it and some softened cream cheese I did in the microwave. Be careful and put a paper towel on it. Avocado. Let's add some tomato. And my favorite seasoning, everything but the bagel. Gotta have some salt and pepper on it. And of course, the cheese. And here they are, quick and easy breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And the texture is spot on. Well, thank you guys for viewing the video. And as always, may God bless you.